Hi, in this short video I'm going to tell you how Descra works and how to write your own text using this tool. Descra will help you create hundreds or thousands of unique versions of the same text in the time it usually takes a copywriter to write just 2 or 3. Basically, it saves you a lot of time. Once you log into your Descra account, you will see your dashboard. Whenever you're in doubt, you can click the blue How To button in the upper right corner of your dashboard, which will guide you through every step of writing a text. The first thing you need is your database. You can download it from any website, such as government sites, which usually make open data available to all. Your first step is to upload your database. Choose the correct file, name your database and click the Upload button. The advanced settings options will let you change the type of variables, but it's usually unnecessary as Descra recognizes the data very well. You will see a new database in your dashboard. As the green pop-up tip suggests, now you should choose New Text from the sidebar. Then, choose your database in the drop-down menu and name your text. Now you can write your text, which will use the details from the database file, such as brand, model, launch date, operating system and many more. Let's write the first sentence. The Apple iPhone X is equipped with the operating system and was launched in 2019. Now let's insert the first variable. In my case it will be brand as it is named in my database. If you want Descra to insert different brand values after the word "the", you need to choose the variable named brand. The names of your variables are visible in the first row of your database. Place the cursor in the right place, choose the Insert Variable option from above the text editor and select the right variable. Next, I'll add synonyms to is equipped. You can add your own synonyms or choose some of the previously added ones. Descra will replace the words highlighted in green with the synonyms you add to make each text as unique as possible. Then I add 2 more variables and I highlight the word operating to let Descra know that it can be replaced with a blank space. The word is not necessary for the sentence to be understandable. Next, I add more synonyms and insert my last variable in this sentence. After I click Save, Descra will show 10 sample texts generated from my template sentence. To achieve a better score and make the text more diversified, you will need to write more sentences with more variables and synonyms. Let's include information about the chipset. This sentence will need a proper article before the type of the chipset. As we don't know if it is going to be A or N, let Descra put the right article for you. Tick the right box in the variable options. You will see that the score I got this time is higher. The preview will allow you to read the whole text or examples of each sentence separately, which makes it easier to spot mistakes in each individual sentence and check if the variables work fine. That would be all. Enjoy your experience with Descra.